Hello and good evening, Transformers fans. This is Jonimus Prime, and this is Rush Beats, Iron Factory's take on Legends Jazz. It's a wonderful, wonderful little figure. You can see it rolls. It will only roll if these tabs are flush, so make sure when you transform it to car mode that these are flush, or else these back wheels will not roll this way. Comes with a rifle. On car storage mode, the handle is placed in this direction, but in robot mode you can put it up like this so that Jazz can hold the rifle later on. Here's the box. You got some artwork there. When it comes in the box, it comes in a robot mode. So just some product shots of the figure here. And I never noticed that eye before. Anyways, that's the packaging. And the figure itself. It's a nice number 4 on the side. To transform this, we just start untabbing these sections. These will become his legs. And I just like to have some more room. Untab these. These will become his arms. Okay. I'll need this tool to help aid bring out these feet. There's one foot done. And there is the other. Now for the arm section, just untab these. Just tabbed in really tight in there. So there's one untabbed there. There you go. Okay, there you go. And now you can bring out the fists this way. These will become the arms. Then the head section just comes down. A little tricky with the head section here, but there you go. Once it's out, just pop it around. And turn these around. Turn this waist around rather. And then this back section. I think what you'll need to do is do a crunch up. And are we done? Yep, looks like we're done. So here is robot mode. We'll just put his rifle there, as I mentioned earlier. Fits in perfect. And there is your Iron Factory Rush Beats Jazz and Legends class. Legends size, rather. Jazz was one of my favorite characters in the Transformers series. I just thought that the character is really cool. And I always wished that I had the toy. And yeah, I'm so glad that the Iron Factory came out with this edition of Transformers Jazz. And yeah, he's got a nice head sculpt. Nice head sculpt there. Just wish it would focus camera. Maybe remove this. There you go. So you can see the head sculpt better. I put a dry rub sticker Autobot symbol on his chest there. So I thought, yeah, why not make it more official looking? So anyways, he's got some nice articulation. Forearm is on a swivel. Got bending elbow. Wrist is can just do this due to transformation. Head is in a ball joint. Legs are the knees like 90-degree bend, and yeah, hips are on the ball joints, so you can have some really dynamic poses. Plus you have the waist swivel as well. The only other offering of Legends Jazz from Hasbro is this guy right here. And as you can see, he's slightly smaller. Let's stand this guy straight up so that you can see the scaling. You can see this guy scales better with my other Legends class figures. If we bring him in, here's Gears. Oh, let's get this guy out. Gears. Bumblebee. Brawn. And recently reviewed Toy World Whiskey Jack Wheeljack. And coming up for a review later on is this guy, Optimus Prime, and it's called the Combat Commander, and the box looks like this. It's a really excellent figure, so stay tuned for that review coming up. Anyways, thank you for watching. This is Jodimus Prime. Thank you for watching, and see you all soon.